Task tuning. Task tuning. Required capability. No specific settings specified. Alright. This here, I don't understand. In this one. High-end trim and task tuning. What's that exactly? It has to be based on a set point. Based on some setting.
Yeah.
Now the setting is coming from these people. IES. Still looking them up here, sir.
IES.
IES has some recommended light level setting.
Yeah.
Based on
and quantity as they like.
Yes. How much the light level should be in a space for somebody to function properly.
And what they had said.
Well, IES, they basically set the light level. So based on the amount of light, the light is going to see the amount of light that's coming in,
and
and he
react to it.
Yes, react to it.